That is it, you know. Yeah man, get them scale up, then we're gonna move on the journey. So anyway, my people, catch me, that we're on the journey, see? Yeah my people, welcome back again, you know, with another epic adventure, you know. So today, I have success. Don't know called link up, I'm like never, you know. You know the thing going on. Today, back up. We're gonna match up. And two Bunita here, you know. Two fat Bunita and people. Get them matched up. I'll have some other fish same way. Come in my people, see what I go on. Yeah man, I have some other fish same way. We're gonna match up, you see me? Yeah man, along with them two Bunita here. I have a Bunita heading on my people. So I'll get them fry. I'll have some breadfruit. I'll get the breadfruit them roast up. So anyway, I'm gonna fry some of the Bunita them and curry it down. Probably roast. After I roast the breadfruit, probably get some of them fries same way on my people. So right then on my people, right now today gonna be a bomber. Today. That is it, you know, my brother. Today's a bomber day. So right now guys, we'll get down in the action. Get the breadfruit them together. Get the fire stick them together. Get the fire blazing. Get the breadfruit them on the fire. And just get the coal blazing. Get the dashi. Get the oil. Everything together. Start get the Bunita them clean up so them can get for fry up. So right now them people, we're just there. Success today. Place beautiful enough. Yeah man, the place nice. Yeah man. Yeah man, so we have two nice lovely breadfruit. Yeah man, two nice lovely breadfruit to my people. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah man, so cause boy I get this stem them pull out. Two nice breadfruit to my people. Very nice, you know? Yeah man. Jump on the action right now my people. So just stay tuned for all of that. My people, see they coal them there. We're going at the quarter pot. Yeah man, we're going to go and get active man.
Well, blessings all over the house.
We found that no hot. Yeah man, get them put up on the fire, you know. Get the Bunita them cut up on here.
Joe, you don't really care.
Whole heap of fishes, huh?
Everything I get mashed up.
Yeah, my people. So we did, yeah. Yeah, we'll get them seasoned up and all, you know. I use some Maggi fish seasoning, you know. Maggi fish seasoning I use. This one, that's my people. Get the fish them seasoned up and all, you know. Alright guys, one done, you know. Yeah, my people, I eat this, you know. Yeah, man, I eat this, you know. Yeah, man, so me now have the breadfruit them. I go on to roast my people. We set on another fire so we can put on the dusty to get the fish to have a roast. Outside, you know. Yeah, my lovely people, go and big up on yourself, you know. I know it's your boy paying cuss. I don't know the I know peeps. Yeah, man, up on the success side. Cause them people are so well successful, you know. And right now, my people, look on the two Bunita them, man, with the rest of fish them I grab this morning. Well peppered down, you know, man. Season up the right and properly way, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. Bunita, you know. Yeah, man. Whole heap of fishes, you know. Two nice, decent Bunita cut up. Slice up right and properly way. Wow. Can see the season them a green. That's the Maggi, you know. Maggi all purpose. And the Maggi fish seasoning. Wow. Two of them combined. Nice combination. Yeah, my people. How's the country no nice? Who's the country no nice? Lion tell catch a view there, man. Wow. Yeah, my friend Bagger. Big up yourself in a yaga. Big up yourself in my friend Bagger. Straight from out of Brooklyn, New York, you know. Big up yourself in my G. Yeah, man, I used to Pencos do it, you know. So I'll get the fab. I already get the fab mixed up. So I'll get it rubbed over the pot now. Alright guys, so I'll get the Dutchess set on now. guys. Get the pepper them chew night, come on. Get the pepper them chew night, my people. Dice come up. You know, garlic, get it? Fish them a different flavor, you know. Whatever you're doing, nice to use garlic, you know? Now remember, I know my people, remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment to my people. Yeah man, shout out to my TikTok supporter them, my Facebook supporter, and big up my YouTube supporter them, and big up all of my people them who support my channel. Respect to each and everyone who subscribe and give me the full support. Big up on yourself, you know, people. A lot of respect. That is it, you know, Cheb. Yeah man, Cheb, I go and get the breadfruit them turning, you know, people. Nice and lovely breadfruit them, and a real yellow heart, you know, my people. Yeah man, nice yellow heart breadfruit. Wow, look at that. Looking so lovely, you know. Not nice over there, sir.
Like and subscribe.
You have to tell them, Chef.
We got Pencos. We are fishing. Right, that's all.
Yeah guys, still have a whole heap more to go, you know guys. Still have a whole heap more. You know, still have a lot more to go, you know. My people, the brush of them ready for come off now, you know. Yeah man. That is it, you know. Yeah man. So I'll put 2 pieces of the Bunita on the grill meanwhile. We can go on a roast, guys. A whole heap of fish, you know, guys. Yeah man, put 2 pieces of the Bunita on the meanwhile. You eat now easy. You know the fish, I'm going to start going and fry out in the people. Man, so just long get 2 pieces of the Bunita them.
golden brown. Nice. Golden brown, you know? One. Interesting one.
Yeah, my people. Yeah, my people, the last step them this is, isn't it? Yeah, so the last step. The last step, you know? Yeah, my people, listen up. Hey, listen up, people. Finish and then so what we're gonna do? We'll get some of the breadfruit them fry. Hit that now, my people. Hit that, you see me? So we're gonna do now. Trevor go and get the breadfruit peel, or get them dice up. Then we get them drop in the aisle, get them fry. Yeah, then no, cook down some of the fish them. And probably extra fish some, but we don't must do that. But for sure, we'll curry some of the fish them. Now the same aisle, one down that name. Check out. Yeah guys, I see it. body have a feast, you know. Body a consume. Loan consume, you know. Yeah man, that's a code, you know. Fish can't done, you know, my people. We have fish until next year, you know. So Trevor go and get the breadfruit them peel off over here, sir. Good look, you know. We're going a different job. You see a nice pretty lady here, and she make everything possible, you know. Yeah man, she make everything possible, guys.
Community man, because this is dead.
No. Yeah man, she make everything possible, my people. You know the thing, you know. Want to eat up a fish, no mama man. Mama say you make everything possible, you know man. What's going to eat you want to, mama? You make everything possible, you know.
Peel up and cut up.
Yeah guys, breadfruit them look so lovely, you know. Check we until I get the breadfruit them fried. Yeah, wait, you know, my friend. Wow.
I must wash me, yeah.
People, remember, so the chef washing his hand, you know. Remember. Lord God. Lord God. Go on, my people, man, you know the thing going on, man.
Okay, they are good. Children can season up some like breadfruit going around.
Season, well, I might get there. If I eat this spice now, would have used
And
it.
every spice.
Yeah, I might eat supposed to have.
Taking out the first set of breadfruit, my people.
Boy, some homie hardest have to come in and blow out with you.
Come up with a new style. We're going to use the easy spice, that are the all-purpose easy spice. We're going to have it to chew up on the breadfruit them. Tell them about it now, my family.
Right here, madam.
Look at this, my people. Chewing the easy spice on the breadfruit. Wow. Can't wait for taste mine, you know. I know this go delicious. I not ask Christ. First, I'm going to taste this though. That's true, because most of the time a salt me use, or I can use the black pepper. You see me? Soldier dog. Yeah guys, coming to the end now, you know. Yeah guys, breadfruit fry up with some nice seasoning on it. That's the, look at the seasoning, people. You see, easy spice, all purpose seasoning, you know. Yeah man, you can see all the breadfruit them fry up. This is the last set coming out of the pot right now, people. Wow, chocolate brown, you know.
Brown chocolate kind of my pot. I make a dog know in granny grave that today. All them epic moments they have to catch on the camera. Dog, I find it. What do you call them people, you know? What do you call the whole generation then? Ancestors. They go find the ancestor them place today, you know? Right now, I'm going to run a do bad before I come back to a while ago. Yeah, man. I like that pinkos.
Fresh better.
Yeah. Cool. Eh.
Up there, so yeah, but we got people, man. Fuck, man.
Yeah, my people. Everything ready, you know. Yeah, man. Everything ready, you know. Yeah, my people. Looking good, you know. Yeah, man, everybody I get to eat, you know.
Red man, toasty man. You can't be saying Friday night red man no one went pan.
Let's start, you know, broke up in. This truck, no man.
That is it.
Yeah, my people. Go and get something share out so everybody can get something to eat. You know the thing going on. Yeah man, my own this, you know. Yeah man. Yeah, my own.
Some of them wild. I'm gonna pick 2 decent side then. Yo.
Just good.
Yo. Right man, come here, video.
Nice.
Bad people.
Nice man, around. Like you know.
I know you're near city.
This is a boy.
Bad. Uncle best, yeah? One go. Active man. Christian. Catch the top chef.
You know,
Barry's never cook food. Check him out.
Wicked, huh?
Real Billy, you know, man. What you talking about there? What's what it, man? Man, I mash up everything. See there? See there? I go on good one. Good vibes, you know? Good vibes, nice Sunday, man.
Yo, see young baller there now. We catch him in the video now. Catch young baller.
Yeah, man, we catch him, man.
Catch young baller, man. We will tell him now.
You see them, man, I'll kick some ball and we're done in the evening. I know what ain't go ready. Go live by him. No, man. No, it's funny about chat.
Yeah, guys. So anyway, my people, we done cook everything, everybody consume. That was wonderful. So anyway, guys, we run a success basic school, and over here, so we got the primary part, you know. So you got the basic school, you got the primary school, you see me? So anyway, after everybody consume, we are gonna play some football. So anyway, which part we there play football? We run at the basic school. And you can see the primary part. That's the primary. You can see the basic school over there, so. So I roll some baller now, because we eat. Everybody belly full. Everybody consume some food and their belly full. So we just have some play some ball right now. You see me? Yeah, man. Whole team out. Just having some fun, you know. Yeah, man. See all cuss boy there. Just have some fun, you know.
One side to the land slide, you see me? Come on, Pencos, we left on the same side.
Yeah, you know we do it in a not nice. You know we do it in a dog.
Get up and catch it, dog.
Welcome.